I'm going to cook these potatoes using our 12-minute microwave baked potato instructions. And I plan on making loaded baked potatoes using the leftover meat and beans from our taco bowl the other day. So this is going to be quick and using the leftovers. If you didn't watch or you don't remember the baked potato instructional video, I washed 2 russet potatoes. I poked several holes in each one using a fork. I added about 1/4 cup of oil to a high-sided bowl, and I covered the bowl with saran wrap. These are going to go in the microwave for 6 minutes. Now our potatoes have cooked for 6 minutes. If you watched the video or didn't watch it, I just want to remind everybody, be careful with the steam. It will come out and burn you coming out from under the plastic. So try and do it away from you and save the plastic. We still want that. We're going to flip these potatoes over and cook them for another 6 minutes. I flipped the potatoes and I recovered them, and I'm going to cook them again for 6 minutes. I'm going to cut half an onion just for garnish. I'm also going to chop the rest of the cilantro. Now while the potatoes are in the microwave for the last 6 minutes, you can put your taco mixture in a small pot or small pan and heat it up. You can use a microwave as well, but the microwave's busy right now, so we'll do this. The potatoes have cooked 6 minutes on the other side. Be careful with the steam. You can see it coming out maybe. You'll see the potatoes are nice and soft. So you'll see the taco meat and bean mixture we used the other day is nice and warm now. We have our toppings out. Cheese, sour cream if you like, chopped onion, chopped cilantro. It's up to you. Put some of the meat and bean mixture on top. Now add some cheese so it melts. Top it with some onion. Some cilantro. Some sour cream. That's an easy loaded baked potato using our 12-minute baked potato instructions and our leftover meat and bean taco mixture from the other day.